Hello, my name's Lamar Ellis, and I'm the president of Drone Education Services. And I'm so pleased to announce my brand new webinar, which is going to be released in late April or early May. And that webinar is going to be marketing yourself. I get a lot of phone calls from people all the time that are asking me, how do they become paid pilots in the drone industry? Well, it's a lot more than just purchasing your drone. There's a
Yeah.
lot of things to think about, and we're going to cover them all in marketing yourself, such as who are going to be your clients and what are the multiple opportunities out there. And then there's crossover businesses. You may be able to service one client, and there's another client that might be an opportunity there for you in the future. And then we're going to discuss colleagues. Where do you find fellow pilots? Because you need to collaborate in this industry. It's still small enough to where you can get out there and you can actually influence or be influenced by other pilots in your market. And where do you meet those pilots? Do you meet them on social media, or do you join groups? And then finally, how do you become that pilot for hire and make that money that you're trying to seek? Well, let's start off with just a little basics of what the class is going to teach you. The class is going to teach you about developing a mission statement, a vision statement, and how to appeal to the market. So you're going to showcase your skills, and you're going to be able to train and develop your experiences so that you can get your goals together so that you can appeal to the kind of market that you're trying to get to. Now, it's a lot bigger than you might think. So be prepared. This industry is growing at a exponential pace, and there are going to be plenty of opportunities in the future. So join us in late April
Okay.
or early May and sign up for marketing yourself.